Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make those tough purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat or a bank. Today, we've got a showdown between two 3D printing heavyweights, the AnkerMake M5C and the ELEGOO Saturn 3. Hold on to your wallets, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. First off, let's talk about the all-important price tag. Both of these beauties come in at a cool $399. No tiebreaker here, folks. They both cost the same, so no need to sell a kidney just yet. Now, print speed. The AnkerMake M5C boasts a blazing 500 millimeters per second with its Power Boost 2.0 technology. That's faster than my morning coffee run. Meanwhile, the Saturn 3 can hit 70 millimeters per hour. Not bad, ELEGOO, but it's like bringing a tricycle to a drag race. AnkerMake M5C wins this round with a turbo boost. Next up, print quality. The AnkerMake M5C can achieve a precision of 0.1 millimeters, and with its precision mode, it supports up to 50 micrometers resolution. That's like trying to split a hair with a laser. But hold your applause. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes with a 12K LCD screen and a resolution of 11,520*5120, making details pop like 3D popcorn. ELEGOO takes this round with its jaw-dropping detail. Ease of use is next. The AnkerMake M5C has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can control it from your phone, your tablet, maybe even your toaster. Plus, the AnkerMake app is user-friendly enough for beginners and pros. The Saturn 3, on the other hand, has impressive slicing software with multiple modes, but it's like trying to pilot a spaceship with a typewriter. AnkerMake M5C wins this one hands down. Durability and compatibility. The AnkerMake M5C has wear-resistant components and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end. It can handle a variety of filaments like a champ. The Saturn 3, with its 9H hardness-tempered film and efficient heat dissipation, is no slouch either. Both are built like tanks, but AnkerMake M5C edges out with its wider filament compatibility. It's like bringing a Swiss Army knife to a sword fight. Finally, customer support. ELEGOO promises to reply within 24 hours. That's faster than my last pizza delivery. AnkerMake, on the other hand, doesn't make any grand promises. This round goes to ELEGOO Saturn 3 for its stellar customer service. Online reviews for the AnkerMake M5C praise its efficiency, ease of use, and high-speed printing, although some users experienced issues with larger prints. On the other hand, reviews for the ELEGOO Saturn 3 highlight its exceptional print quality and strong customer service, but some users faced consistency issues and technical problems. So, who takes the crown? If you need speed and ease of use, the AnkerMake M5C is your go-to. But if you're all about those fine details and solid customer support, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 is your knight in shining armor. Either way, you're getting a fantastic 3D printer. That's it for today's showdown. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time, smart shoppers.